In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a user-defined REGEX parser using the guided mode in Logging Analytics, an OCI service. Let's get started. In Oracle Cloud, go to the navigation menu, click Observability and Management, and then scroll down to Logging Analytics. Click Administration. On the Administration Overview page, click Create Parser. There are 4 types of parsers. In this example, I click REGEX. There are 2 ways to create a parser, guided or advanced. Select the advanced option if you want to write a regular expression for parsing, or select the guided option if you want Logging Analytics to generate the regular expression to parse the logs after you select the fields. In this example, I will create a guided parser. Enter a name for the parser. I enter Live Lab, MooShop, API Logs. Optionally, I can enter a description. In this example, I simply copy and paste the log content from a file. Alternatively, I can select the option to add from file to upload a log file. Click Next. Now, select the log record you want to extract the fields from. I select the second option. Next, let's extract the fields. Select the content value for each field and then map the value to the field. For example, I select the IP address. Now, I have the option to extract this value as a field or as literal text. I select the option to extract as a field. From the field drop-down list, I select to map the value to the host IP address, the client. The regular expression is automatically detected. Click Extract Field. Now, I see the test successfully completed and ran on all 4 log records. Click Run Test to test again and to see how the parser expression generates. Next, let's continue this process to extract all the fields. Select the Live Lab user and then select the username from the field drop-down list. Click Extract Field. Next, select the timestamp and select Time from the field drop-down list. The regular expression for the time date field is automatically populated. Click Extract Field. Next, select Post. Post is a method, so select Method from the drop-down list. Click Extract Field. Next, let's extract the API orders. Select Application Protocol from the field drop-down list, and then click Extract Field. Now, select HTTP and then select Application Protocol from the field drop-down list. Click Extract Field. Now, select 1.1 and then select the protocol version from the field drop-down list. Click Extract Field. Next, select 503. This is the status code from the API, so select Status Code from the field drop-down list. Click Extract Field. Next, extract or map the 86 value to the response content length field. Click Extract Field. Next, select the hyphen, and then select the referrer field. Click Extract Field. Now, let's select the last value and extract it as the user agent string field. Click Extract Field. Now, select Run Test to check if the fields that I just extracted and the parse expressions that generated automatically work on all 4 log records. I see the test status is successful and I see the parser expression that generated automatically. Click Next. Now, a confirmation page displays. I can review and verify the details are correct for the parser. I see the fields are mapped correctly and also include a user-defined description. The parser is now created. Click Create Parser to save it. To view the parser, click the parser tile. Now, I see the LiveLab API logs parser I just created. Click the parser name to view the details.